All right, so here we have a course navigator that is displaying a list of courses, and they're being iterated over this list as a template, right? And it's generating this dynamic list in the HTML and the DOM. Yes, what we'd like to be able to do is actually fetch the list of courses from the server. So to do this, we can use this, we can use the ng on init. The ng on init is a perfect place to update any state variables, right? That we want to initialize. It's the equivalent of component did mount in React, right? So what we could do here is do a fetch. Right? We can go do a fetch here. And where are we going? Well, if we have a URL here. This is where we want the URL we want to hit. This is what we want to hit. That's going to come back with what? It's going to come back with a promise, and we need to the first thing that comes back is a response. And we're just gonna, for now, we're just gonna do a console log and display what the response comes back. It's complaining. What is it complaining about? Okay, it doesn't like double quotes. It likes single quotes. I have a lint that it doesn't like double quotes. Anyway, if we go back to our here and we inspect, we'll notice that we've got some problems. Notice that we have an access denied, right? What's happening is that our REST controller that we're trying to hit is telling us that, hey, no, we're doing CrossOrigin. We're trying to do a break the CrossOrigin policy, right? So what we need to do is configure our server so that it allows this to go through. So let's head back to the server and do that next. All right, so let's go back to the server. Here we go. And the way we turn that on, right, is by using the CrossOrigin. And we're going to say that the origins is going to be equal to, let's see, the query is coming from localhost 4200. Right? And I'm just going to restart the server. Okay, we restarted the server. Let's try that again. Let's go back here and refresh. We still seem to have that. Let's see. Let's be more forceful. Let's go into our Java here. Let's see. We'll go. Where are we? We're in Angular, so we're going to go up one and then down to webdev. The Java here, yeah, and we're going to do a Maven clean install. This is going to make sure it's going to blow away our target, our compile, and make sure that everything is compiled from scratch. If we had anything cached, it's going to blow it away. All right, let's restart our server again. All right, let's try and hit that again. Let's refresh. And it's still not allowing us to go through. Why are you not allowing localhost 4200? It is 4200, isn't it? It is 4200. Has been blocked. Yada, 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 yada. Is present on, if I pay, let me stop it. Let me restart it from here, maybe. Java, jar, target, webdev. Why are you not, let's see, can we maybe origin star? Recompile again. Let's run that. All right, fine. Now it was able to hit the server. notice that it comes back with a response, but that's not really what we want. We really want the data that is inside of the body, right? So we'll need to parse that as a JSON response. So here in our client, what we're going to do is that we're going to parse this response. We're going to do response.json, and that's going to return an additional promise, and this is going to be the actual courses, right? What are we going to do with the courses? We're going to use them to initialize our local variable courses. There we go. And what's that going to do is notice that now we have on our Angular, right? We have the list of courses, but the ones from the server, right? From the database, right? This is coming straight from the database. Yes. The next thing that I'd like to be able to do now is say, well, how do we implement the navigation? You know, like if I select a particular course, I like the modules. If I select the module, I like the lessons. If I select the lessons, I would fetch the rest. Right. So let's work on that next.